Welcome to Money, my friend. Today we're going to journey into a world where you don't need a job to earn money. Imagine an existence where your income isn't tied to the traditional 9 to 5, but instead, it's linked to your creativity, passion, and resourcefulness. We're going to explore 10 different ways you can generate income without being bound to a desk or a schedule. It's about time you took control of your financial destiny. So without any delay, let's dive into these unique and exciting ways. First on our list is freelancing. It's a world where your skills are your currency. Imagine a marketplace where your unique abilities are the hot commodities. That's what freelancing is. No boss, no 9 to 5 grind, just you and your craft. Freelancing lets you turn your expertise into a steady source of income. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a digital marketer, there's a demand for your skills out there. You can work on projects that truly excite you and get paid for it too. One of the major benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can set your schedule, choose your clients, and decide your rates. It's like running your own business, but without the overhead expenses. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere. All you need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. With freelancing, you're in charge of your time, your rates, and your clients. Next up, we have selling goods online. This venture is like a treasure trove of opportunities, waiting for you to unearth them. Ever thought about the vintage items collecting dust in your attic? Or those handmade crafts you enjoy making during your free time? Well, these could be your golden tickets to making money online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even Facebook Marketplace offer the perfect stage to showcase and sell your products. From homemade candles to vintage comic books, there's a market for almost everything. It's not just about selling stuff, it's about telling a story. Create a connection with your buyers, make them feel special, and they'll keep coming back for more. Remember, good photography and detailed descriptions can make your products stand out in the crowded online marketplace. So put on your entrepreneur hat and start exploring the exciting world of online selling. Selling online is a great way to turn your passion into profit. Have extra space? Rent it out. In cities where space is a premium, your spare room, unused garage, or even that vacant parking spot could be a goldmine. With platforms like Airbnb, you can easily turn these idle spaces into a steady income stream. It's simple, it's convenient, and it's profitable. So why let your space gather dust when it can generate cash instead? Remember, your unused space could be someone else's needed place. Investing in stocks, a classic way to money making. But what does it actually entail? Picture this, you're buying a small piece of a company. Your investment grows as the company does well, and shrinks if it doesn't. It's a bit like betting on a horse, but with a lot more control and foresight. But here's the best part. Stocks can earn you passive income. That's money you gain without lifting a finger, simply because you owned a piece of the pie. When a company makes a profit, they might distribute a portion of it to their shareholders in the form of dividends. That's money straight into your pocket. However, it's crucial to remember that investing in stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a bit of risk-taking. But with the right strategy and mindset, it can be a powerful tool to increase your wealth. Investing in stocks is a long-term game, but it's a game that can pay off handsomely. Blogging or vlogging, the choice is yours. These two avenues have increasingly become popular platforms for generating income. Whether you're a wordsmith who enjoys painting pictures with your prose, or someone who loves being in front of the camera, there's a platform for you. Blogging is all about engaging readers with your written content. Whether it's travel, fashion, cooking, or personal finance, you can share your thoughts and experiences with the world. As your readership grows, so can your income through advertising revenue and sponsored content. On the other hand, vlogging is a video-based platform that allows you to connect with your audience in a more visual and personal way. Platforms like YouTube not only provide a space for your content, but also offer monetization through ads and sponsorships. Whichever path you choose, remember this. It's about sharing your passion and connecting with your audience. With blogging or vlogging, you can make money while sharing your passions. And there you have it, my friend. 10 incredible ways to carve out a livelihood without being tied down to a 9 to 5 job. Let's take a moment to reflect on these methods and their potential to transform your financial reality. We kicked off with freelancing. It's an avenue that truly empowers you to use your skills and passions in a way that serves others. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or software developer, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Next, we explored selling goods online. From vintage clothing to handmade crafts, there's a market for almost anything on the digital platform. It's all about finding your niche and connecting with your audience. We also delved into the potential of renting out your space. Whether it's a spare bedroom or your entire home when you're away, this method can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort on your part. Then we got into the exciting world of stock market investing. Yes, it can be volatile and risky, but with careful research and strategic planning, it can also be a lucrative way to grow your wealth. And finally, we discussed blogging and vlogging. Sharing your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world can not only be rewarding on a personal level, but it can also turn into a substantial income source. Each of these methods has its unique advantages and potential for success. But remember, the essence of making money without a traditional job lies in finding something you truly enjoy and making it work for you. It's about breaking free from the confines of traditional employment and embracing the freedom to create your own path. So, whether you're looking for a way to supplement your income or dreaming of starting a new chapter in your professional journey, these methods can open doors to financial independence and fulfillment. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into these opportunities and start making money without a job today.